Hello students, develop draw the winding diagram and ring diagram for simple lap winding with equalizer rings for a DC machines having 6 poles, 36 armature slots and single turn coil. So this is the question given. So let me highlight the points. First of all, how many number of poles are given here? Let us take. How many number of poles are given? 6 poles. 6 poles. And how many number of conductors are given here? 36 armature slots with single turn coil. Single turn coil. 1 turn coil will 36 armature slots into 1 turn. Okay. So let me write whatever the given data here. So given data are number of poles. Number of poles is equal to how much? 6. And number of conductors. Number of conductors is equal to how much? 36 into singleton coil. So that will be equal to 36 number of conductors. Then pole pitch. Pole pitch. Pole pitch is nothing but number of conductors per pole. Number of conductors per pole is the pole pitch. Okay. Conductors will be how much? 36 divided by number of poles will be 6. Then there are 6 number of conductors per pole. So pole pitch is equal to how much? 6. Then what is back pitch? If it is even number, then YB is equal to Z by P plus 1. If you don't remember that, go back to the here. You can see here. Z by B plus or minus 1. Z by B plus 1. Okay. So progression and retrogression. So YB is equal to Z by P plus 1. That implies what is Z by P value will be 6 plus 1. So back pitch will be 7. And what is the front pitch? Front pitch is equal to Z by P minus 1. So that implies 6 minus 1 will be 5. Okay. So let us take the winding table. So let us design the winding table. Okay. So let me increase the tables here. Okay. So first point here, let us take here serial number. Okay. Again here so let us take here back pitch. back pitch is defined by this. Okay, in the same way here we will be writing the front pitch. Front pitch. So let us write here. What is your back pitch value? We have to write here. YB is equal to how much? We want 7. YB is 7. And what is the front pitch value? YF is 5. So let us take here serial number. So always add 1 plus the back pitch. The value will be 8. And take this 8 for front pitch. 8 minus the front pitch value. What is this value? Will be 3. Take this 3 value here for serial number 2. 3 plus 7 will be 10. Here 10 minus 5 will be 5. Okay, hope you understood. Okay, every time add 7 and minus 5. Add 7 and minus 5. Add 7 minus 5. Okay. So what is the value got here? 5. 5 plus 7 will be 12. And this 12 minus 5 will be 7. Then next take that 7 value here. 7 plus 7 will be 14. 14 minus 5 will be 9. So 9 plus 7 will be 16. 16 minus 5 will be 11. Okay. Next 11 plus 7 will be 18. 11 plus 7 will be 18. 18 minus 5. 13. Next 13 plus 7 will be 20. Next 20 minus 5 will be 15. Next 15 plus 7 will be 22. Okay, 15 plus 7 will be 22, and 22 minus 5. 22 minus 5 will be 15. Yes or no? 22 minus 5 will be 17. Sorry. So next 17 plus 7, 24. 24 minus 5 will be 19. So 19 plus 7, 26. 26 minus 5 will be 21. 21 plus 7 will be 28. 28 minus 5, 23. 23 plus 7, 30. 30 minus 5, 25. Okay. So 25 plus 7, 32. 32 minus 5 will be 27. 27 plus 7 will be 34. 34 minus 5. 34 minus 5 will be 29. Next, 29 plus 7, 36. 36 minus 5 will be 31. So here we will be doing this. Okay, students, hope you understood here. 31. 31 plus 7 will be 38. Is that clear? 36. 36 minus 5 will be 31. 31 plus 7 will be 38. Okay. How many number of conductors are there for the given question? Total number of conductors are how much? 36. Okay. So we cannot exceed more than 36. So for that reason, we have to replace this 36 by 38 by 38 minus 36. What is the value we got here? 2. Okay. The same way, 38 minus 5 will be 33. So we have a limit up to 36. So next we take this value 33. 33 plus 7. How much? 40. 40 means, how to write this one? 40 minus 36. Because we have limit up to 36. So how much? It is 4. Now take the same value 40. 40 minus 5 will be 40 minus 5 will be 35. So take this 35 here. 35 plus 7, 42. 42 means we have a limit up to 36. 42 minus 36 will be 6. So take the same 42 value. 42 minus 5 will be 42 minus 5. How much? 37. So 37 means, so this can be approximated to 37 minus 36. It will be 1. Hope you understood now. So this is called the binding table. Okay. Okay, this is called the binding table. Next we will do the binding diagram. How to do the binding diagram? You already know this. So for that reason, how many number of poles we require there? Total number of poles, how much given? It is 6. Total number of poles how much? Sorry. Total number of poles is how much? 6. So we require 6 poles. Okay. So let us take the 6 poles. Total number of poles we require how many? 6 poles. So in the same way, we also do this one. So total number of poles are how many? 6 poles. So let us name these points. So let us take this point as north pole, north, and this will be south, and this will be again north, this will be the south, again north, this will be south. Okay. Now how many number of conductors we require here? 36 number of conductors are required. So let us take the shapes here. For every pole, how many number of conductors we will be placing here? 6 number of conductors, because pole pitch. Conductors per pole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In the same way, we will be hope everybody are understanding this point. Okay. So in the same way, we will be conducting for different number of poles. Okay. Let us name these points. So this will be the conductor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then on the second pole, we will be having different number of conductors 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. In the same way, hope everybody are understanding here. So let us take this one as 13th number of conductor 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So this will be now 19. So let me change the ink here. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, the same way. So this will be the conductor number 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So this will be 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and this last will be 36. Now go back to the winding table. So in winding table, first conductor is conductor 1. Okay, in first conductor. So let us take this one. The first conductor is connected to the 8th conductor, back pitch, front pitch, and this 8th conductor is connected to the 3rd conductor. Okay. So back pitch means we have to take the upper connections. First is connected to 8. So first is connected to 8. So let me change the ink values here. Conductor 1, conductor 1 is connected to 8th conductor. Okay, hope you understood now. This is the first connection. In the same way, 3rd conductor is connected to 10th conductor. So where is 3? 3 is located here. 1, 2, 3. 3rd conductor is connected to 10th conductor. So 10th conductor, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will be the 10th conductor. Okay. This way we have to give the connections. First with 8, 3 with 10. First with 8, third with 10. Back end connections means these are the top connections. YB will be the top connections. This will be the top connections and these are the bottom connections. Okay, hope you understood. This way the complete winding diagram will be carried out. For the next class, we'll extend this with the extension diagrams. Okay, thank you.